Now I want to teach you leap year. Can anyone tell me what is the leap year? Vaishnavi? Aditi? What is leap year?
366 days होता है ना सर?
हाँ, लेकिन मैथ में कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं?
Divide by 100, divide by 400, and first dividing it by 4, then
Yes.
dividing it by 100, and then dividing it by 400.
Okay.
If it is equal to 0, then it's a leap year.
Ujjwal,
If year divided by 4 is equals to 0, then it is a leap year.
Who is saying this answer?
Aditi.
Aditi. If year is divided by 4, then it is leap year.
No, mod.
If year is divisible
Year
by
mod 4.
Okay, that's fine. Anyone have this answer? Now, Aditi, this answer is not correct. You can see even the Google, you can see this page, I can show you. That is the problem here right now. Here you can see if number, input the year, if mod it is divisible by 4 or mod by 4, then display it is not leap year. If it is true, then display the leap year. This condition is totally wrong. Why? Because I want to tell you one thing. This condition is fine if year is not a century. This condition is fine only if year is not a century. Suppose your year is a century, like Sun 2000, year 2100, year 1900. In that case, all the centuries are divisible by 4. All the centuries are, because 100 is divisible by 4. That means all the centuries are divisible by 4. But in the condition of the leap year, 2100, year 1900, year 1700, year 1800, year 2200, year 2300 are not leap year. If year is a century, it must be divisible by 400. Please mind it again. If given year is a century, it must be divisible by 400. Otherwise, it is not a leap year. Got it?
So the reason
ये तो देखो जियोग्राफी वालों ने बनाया है. I can tell you only math about that. That's the reason from the physics only, because they feel why there are the leap year, because every year there are some minutes has been means 365 days से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा होता है पर ईयर. ठीक है, उसको वो करेक्ट करने के लिए फोर्थ ईयर को 366 डेज का बनाते हैं एज पर माय नॉलेज. ठीक है, but why the century are not leap year, that you should study. That is not my area. Fine.
हेलो
हाँ
सर, आपने जो कहा वो फिर से कहो. नहीं, सेंचुरी मतलब वो कंसेप्ट समझ में नहीं आया.
सेंचुरी मतलब सन 1900, सन 1800, सन 1700, सन 2100, सन 2200, सन 2300, ये सारे लीप ईयर नहीं है. जबकि सन 1600 लीप ईयर है, सन 2000 लीप ईयर है, सन 2400 लीप ईयर है, सन 2800 लीप ईयर है. अगर कोई भी सन सेंचुरी होता है, मतलब उसके ईयर के आगे डबल जीरो लगते हैं, तो वो 400 से भी डिविजिबल होना चाहिए. ठीक है, जैसे 1700 है, 2100 है, 1800 है, ये सब 4 से डिविजिबल है. लेकिन ये लीप ईयर नहीं है, उनको 400 से भी डिविजिबल होना चाहिए. फाइन,
राइट सर.
सो दैट द लॉजिक. एंड ऐसा होता क्यों है ये आप पढ़िएगा और मुझे भी बताइएगा. फाइन. So first thing I will check, is it visible? Y mod 4. If condition is false, it is it is not leap year. Fine. If it is true and y mod 100 is also false, it is false, so it is leap year. उज्जवल ध्यान से देखो मैं लॉजिक कैसे बना रहा हूं.
Yes, sir.
Then I am saying if it is also true, number was divisible by 4, number was divisible by 100, that means number is a century. In that case, I will check is number is divisible by 400. Number is divisible by, एक second, I think I should use some different pen. Number is divisible by 400. In that case, if it is no, then it is, then in that case it is not leap year. If it is yes, then it is leap year. ठीक है. So what I will do, I will check if, see here I have created a flow chart. So if my year y mod 4 double equal to 0, fine. In that case, I will check if, look here, if condition is true, I am again checking the condition y divisible by 100 or not. Fine. If condition is true, so in the nested, in the if, I have again created a new if y modular 100 divisible by 0, divisible by 100 mod 0. If condition is false, so condition is false आ गया else में. Fine. If condition is true कौन सी है? This one. In that case, it is here if again y divisible 400 double equal to 0. Now if a year divisible by 400 double equal to 0, then it is leap year, else it is not leap year. This bracket is over. If y is not divisible by 100, so now it is connected with this else. This else is of this if. So in that case, it is leap year. That means if number is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100, then it will be leap year. Now again, this if is closed, and now of this if, the first if, there is another else, and which will be not leap year, because if number is not divisible by 4, it is perfectly not leap year. आया ये समझ में आपको? किसी को डाउट है इसमें?
तो वो else part थोड़ा confusion create कर रहा है.
कौन सा else part बच्चे बताओ?
Sir, if y mod 400 is equal to if the, while comparing if it is 0, फिर जो else आता है not leap year, उसके बाद जो last के दो है ना.
अच्छा सुनो. If here you can see if y mod 4, this condition, fine.
Yeah.
You can see
Yes.
this
Yes.
condition is here. Why my pen is not working? Okay. This condition is here, and इसका else में हमने क्या लिखा है? For this else, we have written. Let me change the pen. For this else, I have written not leap year. यही लिखा है मैंने. बेटा बोलो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो इसका इस if का else ये रहा. तो उस if का else मैंने ये लिख दिया, not else, not leap year. Fine. Now here see, if y mod 4 is correct, I am checking y mod 100. Fine. If y mod 100 ये रहा मेरा, ठीक है. इसके else में क्या लिखा है? इसके else में लिखा है leap. इसका else क्या है? ये वाला. मिल गया आपको? So that is leap. Fine. Now see here, y mod 100 का yes ये है, ठीक है. इसमें हम चेक कर रहे हैं y mod 400. Now here y mod 100 के ट्रू होने पे हमने चेक किया y mod 400. इसके ट्रू होने पे मैंने लिखा है लीप, इन फॉल्स होने पे नॉट लीप. सो ट्रू होने पे यानी इफ पे लिखा है लीप एंड एल्स पे लिखा है नॉट लीप. अब समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt right now? Okay, now see here how many if else I have used. There are 3 nested if else. Is it or not? Is it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
that program works fine, but it is not efficient. It is not efficient, specifically in the writing the code, and as well as it is not like Vaishnavi can't understand कि इतना mess up हो गया, तो ये समझना थोड़ा टफ हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं इस प्रोग्राम को उल्टा लिख दूं, देखिए प्रोग्राम उल्टा लिख दूं मतलब अगर मैं लिखूं y mod 400, सबसे पहले मैं चेक करूं, अगर y mod 400 है दैट मींस प्रोग्राम लीप ईयर है, 101% है, क्योंकि जो भी 400 से डिविजिबल है वो 4 से भी डिविजिबल है. इज इट राइट और नॉट?
Yes.
ठीक
Yes,
है.
sir.
नाउ आई एम, अगर मैंने 400 से चेक किया, 400 के बाद मैं 100 से करूंगा, 100 के बाद मैं 4 से करूंगा. फाइन. सो इसमें देखिए आप, ये मैंने अपोजिट कोड लिखा है. Now see, here I have written the opposite code. First I am checking if y mod 400 is true or false. अगर वो true है तो it is a leap year. Fine. If y means year modulo 400, that means year is a century and it is divisible by 400, then it is leap year. So the code is here. Y mod 400 double equal to 0, it is leap year. Now if this condition is false, still a year is divisible by 100. That means it is a year which is a century. The year is a century, but from the previous condition we have checked it is not divisible by 400. So this century is not divisible by 400. So in the else if I have checked number was not divisible by 400 as well as, but number is divisible by 100. So in that case, I am saying it is not leap year. Fine. Now, if number is not divisible by 100, that means number was not divisible by 400, and now number is not divisible by 100 also. Now I will check if number is divisible by 4. If number is divisible by 4, if yes, then it is leap year. If no, it is not leap year. So program थोड़ा simple हुआ. Have you got my point?
Yes,
So
sir.
I have brought
Yes,
the condition like this. If year is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. If now else if, that means number is not divisible by 400. Else if that means first condition is false. That means number is not divisible by 400, and if y is divisible by 100, that means number was not divisible by 400, but number is divisible by 100. That means it is not leap year. Now in the third condition, else if, that means here is also else. That means number was not divisible by 400 as well as number was not divisible by 100. That means here is not a century. In that case, the number is, we will check number is divisible by 4 or not. If number is divisible by 4, then it is leap year. If number is not divisible by 4, then it is not leap year. Is it simple? Is it fine for you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see the program now. Where is my program? The code I have written in the last, this one. I will try to show you the program with the code flowchart. Let me show. See, this was my code, and here, after taking the year as an input, I am writing the same condition in my programming language. You can use it in the Python, Java, whatever you want. It's up to you. The condition should be same. The logic should be same. So here you can see the first condition was year divided by 400, and in my program also year divided by 400. If it is, I print the leap year. If number was not divided by 400, I am using else if. That means number was not divisible by 400, but it is divisible by 100. In that case, it is not leap year. Again, the next condition is divisible by 4. Here also we have next condition was here also in the code I have written on the one node y mod 4. Here also I have written the condition y mod 4. So that is leap year. If number is not divisible by 4, that is not leap year. We can run this program right now. We can see I have told you 1700 was is not the leap year, so we will check 1700 is not the leap year. Another condition we will check, year 2000, we all was the witness of the year 2000. It was the leap year, so it is the leap year. And next one is some random number 1996. So it should not be the leap year. Sorry, it should be the leap year, so it is a leap year. And another condition 2015 when India won the World Cup, and it was not the leap year, so we will check it is not a leap year. Fine. So everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is all for today class.